Ingon bitaw ko, bitaw. Hey, hello. Nandito po kami ngayon. We have somebody from Manila. Yan, maganda. Bakit magaganda yung mga taga Maynila? Ako,
Ay, gwapa,
tatlong,
gwapa.
gwapa, no? Tatlong araw ako sa Maynila, walang kain-kain.
Ay,
Pero ito, palaging kumakain yata. Yan, no, sexy.
Hello.
Yan, so you flew from Manila to
Yes.
Cagayan de Oro just for this practice.
Yes.
You're excited ba to graduate?
Yes, of course. I'm
Yan.
excited to graduate. Lahat ng efforts, lahat ng hard work lahat ng students here, kailangan talaga nandito sa practice para during the graduation.
Yeah, in just 1 year, no?
mabigay yung
You
best.
were able to get your degree already.
Yes.
So how do you find our school?
I found school really approachable, accommodating,
Yeah.
and of course, dito lang sa Liceo nakakita ako ng high quality and the least, most costly
Yeah.
na schools
The
above
school.
all of the universities na tiningnan ko sa India.
Yan, very
I'm
good.
very thankful for Liceo for accepting me. I'm finally a graduate after how many years? So thank you guys so much.
You're taking up marketing management.
Yes, marketing
Yan.
management.
Yan.
Thank you guys so
Mga
much.
kalupad, you say kalupad.
Kalupad!
You say thank you kalupad.
Thank you, Kalupad!
Thank you, Liceo.
Thank you so much, Liceo.
Yan, thank you very much also,
Thank you so
ma'am, for
much,
choosing Liceo de Cagayan University
Always
as
grateful.
your the source of your degree. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So you are forever now a Licean.
Yes.
A Licean. So
Proud to be Licean.
proud to be Licean. So you'll be going back to Manila na.
Yes.
You bring to Manila Liceo, of course.
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
I'm going to sponsor or promote Liceo to all of my friends
Yan,
who want
that's
to
nice.
graduate, who want to have a degree. So,
Very good.
thank you so much, Liceo, again. And sana sa lahat po ng pangarap na graduate, kahit na nagwo-work, sana po matry niyo po itong Liceo, ETIAP or Liceo Cagayan University. Thank you guys so
Yeah.
much.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Thank you. All right.